Hey guys, so today I'm going to quickly tell you how to change a data set like this into a table. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to simply select all of the information you want to be in the table. Next, you're going to go to your Home tab, and then under the Styles section, you're going to click Format as a Table. You're going to click this and you'll have a lot of style options on what kind of table you want to turn it into. I'm just going to use this simple blue table. Next, you'll have a dialog box, and you want to confirm this is the information you want on your table and that you have it all selected. You can also edit it here. And then also, if your table has headers, like mine does, you're going to want to select this box that says My Table Has Headers. And then you're just going to click OK, and as you can see, the data set is now a table. Thank you so much for watching. If this brought you any value at all, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and please leave me a like and a comment. Thank you so much. Bye.